Given below are two statements. The E0 value for cerium 4 plus ion changing into cerium 3 plus ion is 1.74. That is cerium 4 plus ion accepting one electron and changing into cerium 3 plus ion. The reduction potential value for this is 1.74 volt. Statement 2. Cerium is more stable in cerium 4 plus state than cerium 3 plus state. Now the reduction potential value for cerium 4 plus ion changing into cerium 3 plus ion is 1.74 volt. Reduction potential value is positive, which means cerium has a very high tendency of accepting electron and changing into cerium 3 plus ion. And for the reverse reaction, that is cerium 3 plus ion losing electron and changing into cerium 4 plus ion, the electrode potential value will be minus 1.74, which means that tendency of cerium to lose electron and change from plus 3 oxidation state to plus 4 oxidation state is very less as compared to its tendency to accept electron and changing from plus 4 oxidation state to plus 3 oxidation state. Therefore, cerium 4 plus ion will always have a tendency to change into cerium ion in plus 3 oxidation state, or it could be said that cerium is more stable in its plus 3 oxidation state than in plus 4 oxidation state. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option 4 is the correct option. Statement 1 is correct, that is the reduction potential value of cerium 4 plus ion is 1.74 volt, and statement 2 is incorrect, that is cerium is more stable in plus 4 oxidation state than in plus 3 oxidation state. This statement is wrong because cerium is more stable in its plus 3 oxidation state than in plus 4 oxidation state.